The rise and fall of Sam and FTX's $32 billion empire and how it impacted the market. Was SBF the reason behind the collapse of FTX? Watch this video to find out what went wrong. Hello, and welcome to Business Class. In this video, we are going to take a deep look at the FTX collapse, what actually went wrong with Billionaire, and how they were manipulating the market using users' funds. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell icon to get notified of the latest crypto updates. Crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain, NFTs, and Web3 are probably the most discussed topics in the past few years in the world. Whether it be mainstream media or friends and families gathering every day, we hear someone just turned a millionaire or lost $1 million, and the curiosity to invest in crypto gets irresistible. And there's one way or another to get into it, is crypto exchanges. Crypto exchanges is the platform to buy, sell, exchange, and trade digital currencies or assets. Crypto world has seen some of the top exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase Exchange, and one the most hyped exchange in recent years, FTX. Yes, the same FTX we've all been seeing some fuss about over the internet and offline lately. Celebrities like Tom Brady, Stephen Curry, Larry David, and many more top celebrity endorsements to FTX, purchasing Miami Heat Arena and renaming it as FTX Arena. It all came crashing down last week. Let us break it down for you. Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, and Alameda. Sam Bankman-Fried is a 30-year-old ex-billionaire, entrepreneur, investor, and co-founder of the famous crypto exchange FTX and cryptocurrency trading firm Alameda Research. Sam studied physics at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where he met another founder of FTX and Alameda Research, Gary Wang. After college, SBF has worked for Jane Street as a trader in 2017, where he taped a secret way to make a hell amount of money through cryptocurrencies that led him to a whole new world of cryptocurrencies and trading. In November 2017, Sam Bankman-Fried co-founded Alameda Research, a cryptocurrency trading firm, making his then romantic partner Caroline Ellison on top position in the firm as CEO. Alameda Research guarantees profits for its investors by arbitraging their bitcoins from the US market and selling them in Japan for a higher value. In May 2019, Mr. Bankman-Fried decided to launch his own cryptocurrency exchange named FTX, meaning Future Trading Exchange, registered and headquartered in the Bahamas, co-founded by Sam Bankman-Fried and MIT college roommate Gary Wang, while the curly-haired 30-year-old Sam Bankman-Fried being on charge as CEO. FTX attracted over $2 billion in hedge funds coming from some of the top investment firms, such as BlackRock, SoftBank, Tiger Global, and Iconic Capital, the same firm that manages Mark Zuckerberg's and many Silicon Valley's tycoons' investments. Not only firms, but famous crypto billionaire and Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has been one of the early investors in FTX, with 20% of stake, but later sold his share back to Sam Bankman-Fried in July 2021 for over $2 billion. FTX seemed like a revolution in the crypto world, having cheaper fees, promoting transacting and liquidity of coins or tokens, entering into derivative contracts, buying or sell NFTs, trading in digital currencies with traditional money, and vice versa. FTX launched its own token called FTT, aimed to attract users for its lower fees as compared to other tokens and tighter spread. According to some reports, FTX has been working on many other key features, which could be a reason of FTX stand out over all other crypto exchanges, such as integrating wallets with gaming platforms for developers to collect payments in crypto and digital currencies. Celebrities like Tom Brady appeared in FTX commercial. Top influencers and celebrities endorsed FTX. Major sporting event sponsorships and all these features, ventures promotions, and endorsements helped gain FTX a fast boost to 1 million users by July 2021 and over $18 billion in valuation. Timeline of the major events of FTX's and SBF empire collapse. Fast forward to September 2022. Bloomberg reported some shady operations happening, as Alameda Research being the top depositor of stablecoins at FTX for 2 consecutive months in June and July 2022. Sam Bankman-Fried defended Alameda's action as a liquidity provider, but according to the Wall Street Journal, FTX has lent over $10 billion of customers' money and assets to Alameda Research secretly, without the customer's consent, which is also against FTX's own guidelines. In the meantime, Mr. Bankman-Fried has been making a deal of handing over FTX to Binance CEO C. Zhao to avoid the risk of liquidations. In a tweet, C. Zhao tweeted on 8th of November 2022, "There is significant liquidity crunch at FTX, and that after FTX asked for Binance help, they signed a non-binding LOI, intending to fully acquire FTX and help cover the liquidity crunch." SBF called the deal as first and last in a tweet, meaning C. Zhao being the first and last investor of FTX. On 9th of November 2022, a CoinDesk report claimed that around $3.66 billion worth of FTT tokens are held by Alameda Research as assets out of $5.1 billion coins in circulation in total, which caused a lack of confidence in the market and investors started to back off, panic selling and withdrawals of funds out of FTX and FTT tokens, which simultaneously resulted in a fall of FTT token and wiping out more than a whopping $2 billion in a single day, losing its 80% of value. CoinDesk report also damaged the deal, which Sam Bankman-Fried seemed to be optimistic about. But Binance backed off the deal, and the company stated in a tweet, "Binance is backing out of its plan to acquire FTX. The issue is beyond our ability to help." Later, in an official statement, Binance issued a statement. As a result of corporate due diligence, as well as the latest news reports regarding mishandled customer funds and alleged U.S. agency investigations, we've decided that we will not pursue the potential acquisition of FTX.com. On November 10, Mr. Bankman-Fried tweeted, "I'm sorry. That's the biggest thing. I fucked up and I should have done better," which confirmed the collapse of more than $32 billion of the empire, making it one of the shocking events in the history. Sam Bankman-Fried is said to have lost his 90% of wealth from once $26 billion to left with $900 million, reportedly. FTX Group has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy to disrupt the Court of Delaware, showing a cash balance of $1.21, where experts are pointing out missing assets in the documents. According to sources by TWSJ, Alameda Research ex-CEO Caroline Ellison revealed that Sam Bankman-Fried, along with top managements of both companies, knew about the operations that Alameda used FTX's customers' funds to pay back loans taken by Alameda Research for investments. However, in an interview with George Stephanopoulos and ABC News, Sam Bankman-Fried denied the allegation of improper use of FTX user funds. Since then, we didn't hear back something meaningful from either SBF or its team, and no one actually knows where they are currently living. But in all these happenings, it wasn't FTX users nor SBF and Alameda that lost their large chunk of capital. If we look at the overall market, including BTC got impacted because of the FTX crash. Now, let's look at BTC chart to see how badly this FTX news affected the BTC price, and find out whether or not it will continue to impact the BTC price more in the future. If we look at the 4-hour chart of the BTC/USDT pair, we can see since early November, when the FTX rumors of being insolvent started, BTC price started dropping due to panic in the market and lost almost 23% in value since then against USDT, as well as the crucial support level that was around $17,500 for BTC, which BTC was holding for months also got broken. During the month of October, and before we saw that, whenever BTC touched $17,500 support, we noticed an immediate recovery in BTC price. But this time, with all the panic and rumors in the market, BTC broke down the resistance level and made a new all-time low of below $15,500. Currently, BTC is consolidating above the major support level that is around $15,500, and many crypto enthusiasts believe that BTC is getting ready to break the support level and will go all the way down to $12,000. On 29th of November, Il Capo of Crypto, a famous crypto influencer and chart analysis expert, said in his tweet, "I've spent hundreds of hours analyzing the market to come to the conclusion that capitulation is a matter of time. BTC should reach 12Ks, ETH 600 to 700, altcoins should drop 40 to 50%, and shitcoins 50% plus. I won't post any more here until confirmation or invalidation." Well, you don't need to panic here. If we look at the BTC in a short time frame like 1 hour, 2 hour, and even on a 4-hour chart, it's consolidating and trying to break upwards, which means for a shorter time frame, we can expect a relief rally unless we have bad news coming our way. For now, we are expecting a move above $18,000 in the coming days, but keep an eye on the latest crypto news because there is a lot of FUD going on in the markets. This is all for now. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest crypto news and updates.